my Legate YouTube viewers. Today you are behind the scenes where we edit the videos that you see on our channel. I'm going to show you my selection of the top 3 properties in the latest addition section of our website. Let's dive in. This is our Legate website, FrenchEstateAgents.com, and I'm gonna go straight into latest additions. Here you find all the fresh mandates arriving on a daily basis, so it's updated every day for every budget anywhere in France. But let's start with my first choice. It's listed approximately at 195,000 euros, and what you get is a 5 rooms, 3 beds, 2 baths, 152 square meter house in the Charente. It's right next to Angoulême, the lovely city near our office, where basically every lunch we go there because it's really a lively city. Being in Angoulême, you have access in 20 minutes to Bordeaux by TGV train, so the location is absolutely perfect for that house. You are also 1 hour away from the Atlantic coast, which makes it perfect investment as a holiday home. This is the front of the house, and I think it looks really neat with condition. As you can see, there's nothing to do in that house. It's already fully renovated. Small and large terrace. Lot of trees, lot of flowers. Another angle. Apparently there's little outbuildings out there. Wow. The interior is incredible. Look at this. People often tend to have white walls. In that case, they took the risk of trying colors, and I think it works pretty well. I love the contrast between the blue, the red, even pink in the ceiling. I would not try myself this, but my wife, she did that in our house, and one of the rooms is totally pink, and believe me, it's beautiful with some black touches. The stone flooring is absolutely brilliant. There's a lovely bar next to this classic kitchen, quite large, a really large kitchen, open fireplace. I love it. Wow, the style of the lounge with the stone walls, beautiful classic fireplace. It's really warm. The atmosphere is really warm. That's one reason I wanted to show you this house. Nice beams, beautiful colors, beautiful stones everywhere. I love that style, I have to say. Wow, one of the bedrooms, it's really large. Look at this. Bathroom at the corner, lots of storage, nice volume. Super bright. Bathroom is brand new, apparently. It's ready to move in, basically. That sort of property is excellent because all you need to do is to contact the agent. If you have questions, if you want to see like that, there's a form on the right side of the pictures, as you can see on screen, where you can just drop your phone or email and name and ask any sort of question. And if you want, let's say, more pictures, the agent in charge of that property will get back to you really quickly. The next one, you won't believe it because it's just above 100,000 euro approximately. We are still in Nouvelle-Aquitaine, Charente, Poitou-Charentes. We enter the first picture shows the lounge. Once again, just like the previous one, super clean, super neat, beautiful, bright volumes, beams, wood flooring. This is the opposite angle. So this lounge features as well a door that leads to the exterior terrace and a wood burner in a nice fireplace. Dining area next to a separate kitchen which again is brand new, apparently, from what we see on screen. Wow, don't tell me this is the garden because the view is just crazy. This is in November. This, what you see, are pictures, as it's a fresh new mandate taken this week in November. So it's absolutely beautiful. You can imagine the same view in spring. It must be absolutely gorgeous with all the flowers blooming. I love it. Oh, and you've got the exact same view from the window. We can clearly see it's been taken from the window. The house has got so much style. Look, this is the back garden, a stone house, elegant. I think for the price, it's absolutely incredible to get so much for such a good price. There's not much to do about maybe cutting the grass and you're ready to move in again. Wow, this bedroom is immaculate. Look at this. It's so clean. Double glazing, a lot of storage as well. Oh, cherry on top. Remember, 100,000 euro approximately. There's an outbuilding, a shed and a barn. This alone makes it so appealing. I could instantly create a sort of summer kitchen there, gaming area, super high ceiling, beautiful beams. It's got a lot of charm and style. Let's move to another area. This house in Lézignan-Corbière is in the Corbière area, famous for the wines, the Corbière wines. You've got the best of both worlds there. We are in the southwest of France, close to the Mediterranean Sea. You could just drive 30 minutes and get to the Mediterranean Sea from this house. In the Aude, Languedoc-Roussillon, Occitanie. There's the Canal du Midi, the famous Canal du Midi, La Roubine, Canal de la Roubine. So the house is 8 rooms, 6 beds, 2 baths on almost 180 square meters. It's got the garden, veranda, summer house, very large garage, and a garden. This instantly is a dream. Lovely sitting, shaded area under the palm trees, beautiful blue shutters, a nice conservatory in the background. The over angle is beautiful and you can see there's an additional outbuilding, tiny hidden outbuilding at the back of the garden. Really neat, really clean. Classic lounge, classic fireplace from the 19th century, obviously, and bright. Oh, this leads to the conservatory. This is probably in a black marble. I love it. The style is really classic. Brand new kitchen. This is the conservatory. That's the back of the garden. So there's, I think, a sort of a bonus area there. I'm not quite sure of the layout of the house. You can ask our agent. When you are on the website, on the right side of every single property you're looking at, you can find a form where you can just fill your first name, surname, email, address, and ask a question to our local agent, who would be obviously pleased to send you more pictures or answer any of your questions. And that's it for this one. I won't go into the details of that property. You'll find the links of the property we explore today in this video in the description section and in the first comment under the video. So feel free to have a look for yourself. And here we go with the bonus house. This is simply a shock for me. Even for me, I'm used to discover houses on our website and when you go filming them, but look at this. 65,000 euro for a 5 rooms, 4 beds, 1 bathroom house in the Morbihan. It's a place to explore. It's got a rich cultural heritage, of course, the medieval architecture, the cobblestone streets everywhere, historical towns like Vannes, beautiful, I love Vannes, and Auray, of course. You can enjoy the gastronomic delights, of course, the seafood is always fresh, the local crepes. As you can see, lovely street, lovely front facade. It's around 75 square meters inside, which is quite decent. I mean, it's less than 1,000 euro the square meter for a house which is in perfect condition in a prime location. That's simply a bargain. You won't find that anywhere else. Nice flooring, nice kitchen, nice volume of this lounge with a separate utility room at the back of the kitchen. We can see that there's a staircase leading to the bedrooms. This is one of the bedrooms. Beautiful. What can you ask? There's a TV area, so it means it's plugged with all the cables and electricity. Nice flooring. And I think it's really bright. As you can see, the light flows through the window of that secondary bedroom. Another angle, utility room, which was at the back of the kitchen on the first picture. Brand new shower room, absolutely clean and neat. And there is even more room space in the attic. As you can see, it's already there's plasterboard and insulation done. Electricity has been brought to that space. Nice wood floor, so it could be anything, a home cinema, another bedroom, whatever you want to make it happen there. But honestly, consider we are getting here a house in a fantastic place, in excellent condition. You've got nothing to do. just double glazing, electric shutters, 65,000 euros. So yes, you are used to see me in chateaus, beautiful Parisian apartment, and we've got everything. Leggett is not specialized in one thing. Leggett sells anything between 0 to 50 million euros. Well, I hope you liked that video. You're welcome to subscribe and like that video. So thank you for watching and see you soon in another episode of this new concept, new series of videos. Bye bye.